Hey Health Source, it's Dr. Kathryn, and this week we're going to go over common questions that we get every day in the office. By far, the top question we get is what causes the popping or the cracking noise when you get adjusted. So what happens is fluid is being released from your facet joints in your spine, and the gases that cause the popping noise are made up of oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. So that is what makes the cracking or the popping noise when you get adjusted.